Hey YouTubers, Muzoikos here. I want to give back to the YouTube community because I've learned so much. Anyway, we're going to replace a dome light in a Nissan D21 today. So this is what it looks like, 1996 Nissan pickup dome light. I couldn't find any videos on how to take this down and change the bulbs. I thought I'd do this, and basically you just grab it over here and push to the other side and pull down, and it'll just pop out. And then you just pull some of the wiring out of the roof, and there's a tab. Push, unplug. Next thing is 2 screws for each bulb housing. Take those out and replace them. Alright, we've got it on the bench. Want to bulbs in here. Just 2 screws. Just pull and twist. Either way, should work. Steel bulb, replacing with a LED. This is a BA 9S. Just like that. Alright, that's it. Then we can do the other side the same way. Got 2 LEDs in there now. Let's go put it in. Just a matter of hooking her back up. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. This little thing right here was a decoy. I thought I had to take that out, and it will come out, but you don't need to do anything with that. And then just put it in the way it came out. Just these 2 little metal tabs here. Just put the left one in first. Get it in snug there. And then sort of push that tab in. Push it up in there. And then if you have a degraded sealing, you can push that back in there. I'll have to get that replaced. Boom. Ready to go. I also replaced the rear dome light with the LED. This is a lot easier. You just pinch on the side. Whoa, that's bright. Much brighter than the light the map lights I just replaced. This one's 3 watt. The map lights I put in were 1 watt. I recommend the 3 watts. Much brighter.